Hello boys and girls, we have been studying our math unit on dividing decimals. Today we are going to learn how to add zeros to our dividend when there are not enough digits in the dividend to complete the division. Our learning objective for this lesson is students will identify when to write a zero in the dividend in order to find a quotient. So let's try our first example. We are going to divide 5 2/10 divided by 8. Step 1, we're going to divide as we would whole numbers. So we're going to place our decimal point in the quotient about the decimal point. Now we're going to divide as normal. So we're going to look, does 8 go into 5? No, it does not. So we're going to place a 0 on top. Now, does 8 go into 52? Yes, it does. It goes into 52 6 times. And 8 times 6 is 48. Now we'll do subtraction. 52 minus 48 is 4. Now we have to look at step 2. The difference, 4, is less than the divisor, 8. So now we are going to add our 0 in the dividend, and we will continue to divide. We will bring down the 0, which will make this 40. Now we look, 8 goes into 40. How many times? 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtraction, 0. So our quotient would be 65 hundredths. Let's try one more example just so we know we got the steps. Let's divide 43 5/10 divided by 6. So let's follow our steps again. We're going to divide as we would whole numbers. We're going to move our decimal up, and we're going to divide. Does 6 go into 4? No, so we're going to add our 0 to hold the place. Does 6 go into 43? Yes, it does. It goes into 43 7 times. 6 times 7 is 42. We will subtract 1 and bring down the 5. Now, does 6 go into 15? Yes, it does. It goes into 15 2 times. 6 times 2 is 12. We will subtract, and that will leave us with 3. Now that brings us back to our step 2. Our difference, 3, is less than our divisor, 6. So we are going to add a 0 to our dividend. We'll bring it down, which makes our difference 30. 6 goes into 30 5 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract, and we have a remainder of 0, which will give us a quotient of 7 25 hundredths. I hope this video helped you understand how to add zeros in the dividend to complete division problems.